Holo currently trading at 0.008 with a market cap of $1.4 billion, guys. Its ticker is HOT and is currently ranked 79 on the list. Now, before trading hot on this, guys, what is Holo? Holo is a peer-to-peer distributive platform for hosting decentralized applications built using the Holochain, a framework for developing dApps that does not require requires the use of blockchain technology. So that's basically what it is in a nutshell. I want to show you some other details, what it is more on their website. But where can we hodl or trade this, guys? They're on Binance, Get.io, Bybit, Uniswap, Coin1, Binance, Crypto.com exchange, LBank. There are some big ones, guys. So if you're looking at trading on this is available. Let's check out that price rating, guys. The Stable Outlook gave them a B, and also Symmetry gave them a C+. Look at the entire spectrum of cryptocurrencies that get ratings. This one is sitting a little bit of, in the middle, but look at the amount of cryptos it has B in when it comes to its rating. That is absolutely amazing. I like cryptos that have ratings. Please read the ratings, guys. I'll have it linked below. If you want to make a video about it, I can. Just let me know in that video. But let's get to the news. So I haven't found anything specific about Holo, but I did have found a bunch of articles about what's happening with crypto in general. So please check that out. I'll have it linked below. It's CoinMarketCap and news, latest news. Let's get to the website, guys. So I was going through the website while doing some of my research, seeing what kind of cryptocurrency it is, because this is an updated video, and to give you updated video on that price prediction, guys. But for this, guys, if you guys want to find more information, go to their website, holochain.org, and you can learn more about what is Holochain, their applications, their agent-centric, their manual accountability, which is pretty interesting. So if you guys want to, and if you want to look at their blockchain, you can install a Holochain. Also, here's your Twitter page with 111,000 followers. A lot of followers, guys. You guys want to learn more, go to the Twitter page, find some articles that can, just basically educate yourself before jumping into a cryptocurrency. You don't want to get into something that's a meme coin and goes straight up to the moon and then goes back to dirt or goes down to zero. So educate yourself, guys. Also, follow me on Twitter, under Jim McClendon. I talk about a lot of politics, business, and trading stuff. So let's get to that price prediction. Now, here's a screen of how I had it set up prior to this happening here. This is my last price prediction. It actually did pretty well. So for traders that took advantage of this move that was right here, they did very well. But now we're heading back down to lows. Now let's break it down at the current price. Okay. Give me a second. All right. And at its current low, it's not doing too bad. Now, especially with that couple wicks down there, we can see that it might be making some possibly big moves from there. If not, then our risk is very minimal. All right, drag this out right here. Now I'll move it up to my screen so you guys can see. All right, guys. So the main thing is right here. Look at this big push down right here. This big, massive wick went down to 0.0002 all the way back up. People obviously took profits along the way. I mean, this is not a bar based on accident. This was with a lot of money shoved this thing down and then rode it right back up. There's a lot of buying and selling. So people who are trapped right there, they're not too trapped. They're only about 0.002 off. But this may be a breaking point where it takes off higher, or this is a pullback to head down lower. This is how I'm going to approach it, guys. So the current price at 0.008. This was the optimal entry if you get that price. I would probably not get the price. I'll probably get the middle just to bounce up from there. But with current prices at, if we look at the downside, it's only not too down low. So is there a lot of risk entering your buy market? Not too bad. And the upside, we can just go up to this high right here, this previous high, which is was basically 1 cent, 1.1 cent pennies, or 0.011. Okay, let's see. To break this down even more, if it does head down lower, adding a buy limit to this right here, to this zone, which is the 0.007 area, it's not too bad. trading, if I was going to trade it, I would need it to be in this zone right here. So hodling what's going to have to be, because trading it just adds an extra level of risk. Okay. Let me see. Give me a second. Really? Okay. So if you enter in a market, maybe a little bit volatile, but wait it out. Price alert. Since this is not a bad zone and there's this big massive wick here, buy limit, solid buy limit right here. So in the price zone right here for this resistance of 7.007, I'm going to place a, if we get into this cryptocurrency, a buy limit right here. And then if it does go down, engage my buy limit, I'm going to be holding on to about this price right here, which is 0.011. Price prediction price I'm picking is 0.011. That's a very feasible price, and it's not too high. So if hitting that price is a whole lot more expected than these other highs up here. Let's see. Let's put that out right here. Now, if I'm wrong, guys, it's not too far down. I'm only going to risk 1 to 2% if I get into this cryptocurrency. I don't want to put a whole bunch of risk in jumping cryptocurrency. I like big wins, small losses, big wins, small losses, okay? Now, if it hits this, I'm not going to enter again with a buy stop. I want it to beat this high. So once if it hits my buy limit, let's say it goes up, then I'm going to enter an off market. But if it heads back down into my, so if this price alert goes up higher, then tell me, then I'll get in on the buy market into the market up to 0.11, my bad. If it doesn't do that and hits the option 2 right here, then I'm going to get in with the buy limit. And then if it hits this high, I'm going to move my stop above my entry, locking in the trade, so letting it run. And if it hits up here, I'm going to close a portion of my trade and then let the rest run for a trade or hodl position. And that's how I'm going to come in a plan to attack this, guys. It's not too bad. It's not extremely volatile. That big shadow, or you want to call a big wick, it's a big confirmation for me to show that big money still wants it in at this price range. And if it does break this, that means big money all exited at that pullback right there, and my risk is very small. So that's my plan, guys. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know, and we can have the conversation. Let's get to my website. My website is andrejmcclennan.com. Talk about trading, investing, a whole bunch of things. So if you guys want to learn more about investing, you can have a session with me. We can have a conversation about how I conduct them and how we can handle it throughout the week. 1 to 2 hour sessions that are daily. If you want to learn more about precious metals, my cryptocurrencies, my trading course, you guys can take it. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me how I did in this video. Tell me what you guys think about Holo Coin, and I'll see you guys in the next video.